children. Today I am going to start the remaining part of the chapter 5, Should Wizard Hit Mummy, on page number 54. Just see from the first para, from the beginning, first line of this page. Raja Skunk and his mummy went home and they heard woo, and it was the shoo train bringing Daddy Skunk home from Boston. Daddy Skunk, he used to go to Boston on the daily basis for his day's work for his family survival, and it was the evening time. He was coming by train to his home, and train was just producing a whistle. Even it was a kind of indication not only for Raja Skunk, even for his mother, this is the right time of arrival of her husband as well as Raja Skunk's father. And then they had lima beans. Lima, it's a kind of flattened white beans, a kind of vegetable, and celery is also a kind of vegetable known as ajmod in Hindi. And liver, mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes means boiled crushed potatoes, and pie omai for dessert. Dessert here means fruit sweet served after the dinner. Pie omai, it was a kind of sweet item made with the help of the fruit. Generally people prefer after their dinner. When dinner is over, some people are there, they are highly fond of just taking these kind of sweets. Means these are the varieties of vegetable and the sweets they are taking in their dinner. Even all are taking their dinner together. And when Raja Skunk was in bed, Mummy Skunk came up and hugged him. Hug means embraced him, and said he smelled like her little baby skunk again, and she loved him very much. Why? Because you know better that in the previous video just I taught that magician, the wizard, changed his foul smell into rose smell. Right now, on the objection of Raja Skunk's mother, again that wizard changed his rose smell into foul smell. And this kind of foul smell was a kind of traditional smell of skunk family, and therefore his mother, skunk's mother, she liked him too much, she loved him too much, just expressing the views that really skunk, dear skunk, is releasing our traditional smell. And that's the end of the story. But daddy, that's the end of the story. When it was said by Jack, at the same time that a girl of 4 years like Joe, she is asking intelligent questions. She is just asking, but daddy telling what? Then did the other little animals run away? Again, when Raja Skunk started releasing bad smell, releasing foul smell in the forest, so the woodland creatures started running away the second time also. No, because eventually means at last they got used to the way he was and did not mind it at all. Finally, the idea came to the woodland creatures that okay, this is the real scale of skunk and smell is not a matter. And this was the time when all the creatures they were ready to play with him. They were ready to play with Raja Skunk even he was releasing foul smell. Then what what's eventuality? Eventuality is a kind of special word. It is said as dialect. What is dialect? Dialect means a kind of special word used in a sentence. Even she will do. The meaning is that even she will do. Even his mother will do. That was stupid, mummy. It was not. He said with a rare emphasis. Rare here means unusual. Emphasis here means stress. That he said with a rare emphasis or unusual stress, and believed from her expression that she realized he was defending his own mother to her. Even by giving the best idea that there was no mistake of Raja Skunk's mother, even he wanted to satisfy that girl ki even your mother is there in your house, even she is without mistake in the family. And then or to her or something as odd. Now I want you to put your big heavy head in the pillow. Here Father Jack is telling that little girl, Miss, I want that you will have to put your head in the pillow and better try to sleep. I have a good long night. Dear, I want that you should sleep right now. He adjusted the shade so not even a crack of day showed. He started the shade. The father just pulled the curtain so that the light that was coming from outside to the living room to the bedroom, even it may stop, and finally that girl must sleep. But when he turned, she was crouching on top of the covers. When he turned, she was crouching. Crouching here means that is bending. That girl was bending on the top of the covers which she was covering and staring at him. She was staring at her father. Hey, get under the cover. Cover yourself and fall fast asleep. You sleep dear right now. Bobby is asleep. Get under the covers and fall fast asleep. And she stood up and bounced gingerly on the springs. Springs means that girl. She stood up there in the bed and she bounced gingerly. Bounce here means she jumped in the bed very gingerly means carefully. Daddy says what? Tomorrow I want you to tell me the story that Wizard took that magic wand and hit that mummy. Right now, she was curious girl. She wanted to listen such kind of interesting story from her father in which she wants to see that the wizard must take revenge of her mother. Even in the next story, she is requesting her father that tomorrow you will tell the story in which that wizard hit with the magic with the wand on the head of the mother. And then her plump arms chopped forcefully right over the head. No, that's not the story. The point is that the sense is that the little skunk loved his mummy more than he loved all the other little animals and she knew what was right. Even she was a considerate girl in the age of 4. What was right, what was wrong, even at least she had the idea. No, tomorrow you say he hit that mummy. Do it. So she kicked her legs upside on the bed and sat down on the bed with a great heave. Heave here means upward efforts and complaints of spring. Complete here means painful sound. She made a painful sound and she jumped there on the bed as she had done hundreds of times before. Because generally you should have the idea about the small children. When they are excited, when they are highly excited, they are thrilled too much, they just jump on the bed. So before she practiced many times of jumping, except that this time she did not laugh. Say, Daddy, what you want? Well, we shall see. Okay, I will see tomorrow. Now at least have a rest and stay on the bed. You are a good girl. So in the beginning, that father was just giving him threatening that you must sleep right now. You are a kind of disturbance in the family. But right now, he just praised her by saying that you are a good girl. Better you sleep right now. He closed the door. The father closed the door of that bedroom and went downstairs. Claire had spread. Claire, Jack's wife, Joe's mother, what she was doing? She had spread the newspaper on the floor and she had opened the paint can. Paint here means enamel and can means container. That wife, like Claire, she spread the newspaper on the floor and she had already kept the enamel container on the paper and wearing an old sort of his on top of her maternity smock. Maternity, that is motherhood, smock, that is loose outer garment. What the maternity smock she was wearing, over it she was wearing the old sort of jacket. Was stroking the chair. She was stroking means attacking or just painting the chair rail with a dipped brush by diving or dipping the brush into the enamel. And above him, footsteps vibrated. At the same time, Jack heard that there is a vibration sound that is coming from upside, that is coming from the roof. Even who might be there? That was the work of that naughty girl like Joe. She was jumping on the bed. And then John, John or Joe. This is John is a full name of Joe, but writer has used many times Joe and John. They are the same name. Shall I come up there and spank you? Shall I come up there to you? Spank here means slap and give a slap to you. What do you want? The footsteps hesitated and the sound of footstep of that girl right now stopped. That was a long story, Claire said. Claire said, his wife said, perhaps the story was very long for that girl. The poor kid, he answered, and with utter weariness. Utter means complete, weariness means tiredness. And with complete tiredness watched his wife labor. He was watching, Jack was watching the hard work of his wife like Claire because he was just painting the chair. And then the woodwork, a cage of woodwork around the wall, a cage of moldings and the rail and baseboards. Baseboards means skirting boards all around them she was painting was half old tan and half new ivory. Half old tan was there, half old enamel was there, and half new ivory was there, and he felt caught in an ugly middle position. At the same time, generally, कि this kind of tent or the animals, even the spirit and other things, they produced very different kind of extraordinary kind of smell. Therefore, varieties of enamel container was open at the time, and because of that, Jay found himself in a very ugly position. Even he did not like that smell. They were coming from the enamel of the varieties of can. And though he as well felt his wife's presence in the cage with him. Right now, he felt that there is the presence of his wife in that cage too with him, and he did not want to speak with her. When he just finally sensed that he is not all alone there in that room, even he is there in the company of his wife was there with him, so he did not want to speak with her, he did not want to work with her, he did not like to touch her, he did not like to do anything because of the ugly position. They have ugly position or muddy that smell that was coming out, foul smell that was coming out from the varieties of containers. So dear students, the video is over, and with this I have already completed this chapter, and you will see next chapter, next lesson in the next